Is your Xbox Series S X staring back at you with an infuriating black screen? Let's troubleshoot and get your gaming back on track. Firstly, the most basic check is the console actually on. Make sure the power cable is securely connected to both the Xbox and the power outlet. Also, confirm the outlet is functioning properly if you are using a surge protector. Make sure that the surge protector is working and providing power. Sometimes it can be as simple as that. Step 2. The HDMI connection. Ensure your HDMI cable is firmly plugged into both your Xbox and your TV or monitor. Try a different HDMI cable. Sometimes the cable itself is the problem. Also, try using a different HDMI port on your TV. Next, we'll check your display settings on the Xbox. Go to Settings, then select General, then TV and Display Options. Make sure the resolution is set correctly for your TV. Try different resolutions. Sometimes, a mismatch can cause a black screen. Consider lowering your refresh rate as well. Time for a hard reset. Press and hold the Xbox power button for about 10 seconds until it completely shuts down. Unplug the power cable from both the console and the wall outlet for a couple of minutes, then plug everything back in and power it back on. This can clear temporary glitches. If the hard reset and display settings don't work, consider factory resetting your console as the last resort. Doing this will wipe out everything from your Xbox, so make sure you take note of that. In the settings, go into System, and then Console Info. From here, select Reset this Xbox and choose the appropriate reset option, be it resetting with or without keeping your games and apps. Hopefully, one of these steps fixed your black screen. If the problem persists, contact Xbox support for further assistance. Don't let a black screen ruin your gaming session.